Hi Scorpios, let's see your mid-February 2021 reading with you and your person. Okay, so what are the feelings of you and your person this in the middle of the month? And a happy Valentine's Day as well. So let's see the energies of both of you. Scorpios and their person. What is going on between Scorpios and their person? Please, angels, what is going on Scorpios and their person in the middle of the month of February 2021? What is going on, please? Okay. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Do not try to make, if you feel that it is not your story, do not try to make it your story. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let's see, what are your feelings towards your person? 5 of Cups. And what are their feelings towards you? 6 of Pentacles. Well, okay, what is the obstacle? 2 of Wands. What will be your action towards this relationship? Ace of Swords. And what are their actions towards this relationship? Page of Wands. Well, overall outcome, Page of Swords. All right, let's see now. So it feels to me as, you know, you are shattered. You are literally in a state where you are thinking, you are overthinking, Scorpios, at this moment about your person, because they might be really busy at this moment. So, you know, it's looking to me that they are more into their career because they are working for their pentacles. But yes, they do love you, Scorpios. You are overthinking about this relationship. You feel that they have lost you. You know, they might not have appeared in your on your birthday or something on Valentine's, and you think that what is going on, because something is not fishy over here. I don't sense it. It's general, okay, it's normal. Let me just clarify why 5 of Cups is here. Why my Scorpion is sad? What is happening with my Scorpion? Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so this can be a new relationship, okay, because you met a new person and it's like no communication as of that level, and that is why you feel that, you know, that they are not the one, or they are not giving their emotions, they are not talking to you emotionally. So you have little high expectations at this moment, because all they are doing is their work. They might be doing some social work as well with the 6 of Pentacles, related to some social work or something, a good service to humanity. So this can be that thing. Let's see why the 6 of Pentacles is here for my Scorpio's person. Why the 6 of Pentacles is here? The Hanged Man. Okay, what else? And the Star. So I feel that yeah, they are not even thinking. I think that you are liking somebody with whom you have just started talking to, and it's not even a relationship at this moment. It's just like a give and take, you know, relationship in which you talk to a person, you feel good, and you have started taking things in a very different way, and they are nowhere near to this relationship. They are into some other place, okay, so they are into some other work. They are doing really good in their lives, and you are attracted towards them. You might be this might be your past issue, okay, with not with this person but with somebody else. You are sad because you have started talking to somebody new, but you don't know whether this person loves or likes you. And yes, so this is something I really feel that you had a bad past, and you are thinking about that past as well. And this is something, and this whole thing is new. Well, from your heart you are still with the past person if you have not moved on. So do not try to connect with this person if you feel so, because you have to move on first. You have to heal from your past, okay? Let's see why the Two of Wands is here. For my Scorpions, why the Two of Wands is here, please. King of Cups. Yeah, so this is your energy, King of Cups, though, you know, that level of love. So you are feeling very, very much into love. Emotions are flowing, love is flowing basically, and it's like you might be distant with this person. So distance also matters in a relationship. And that is why this distance, you are not able to, you know, you want to meet that person, you want to talk to that person, and you are in a long distant relationship, or just a relationship, a friendship. It can also be, it can be anything. Let's see this Ace of Swords. What actions are you going to take with this person? I think you're going to clear the stuff, whatever you have for them. If you have those feelings, you want to clear it. Okay, let's see why the Ace of Swords is here for my Scorpions. The Chariot. Okay, so it can be a Cancer as well, or an Aquarius with whom you are dealing. It's looking to me, yeah, you really want to talk to them, you really want to meet them. You might be even coming down, because the distance is mattering over here, and you want to clear it out, you want to talk to them, you can come down to meet them, and you are doing it really fast. I feel that the actions are being taken by you more than them. Let's see why the Page of Wands is here in their actions towards this relationship. Are they even serious about this relationship? Is my Scorpio person is my Scorpio person serious about this relationship? Sorry, too many. Is my Scorpio person serious about this relationship or not? Page of Cups with the Page of Wands. I feel that it is just a start, okay? Because the page, I really feel a lot of pages. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 pages are already here. So this is more about a good communication kind of a relationship, we can say, where it has just started, okay, Scorpios, because they're more into their passion, they're more into their work at this moment. They are passionate, they are loving their work, they are communicating with you, but I don't feel like there is a big love situation over here. I don't feel like that. Let me see the final outcome. First, I really need one more card for this, for the actions taken by my Scorpio's person. What is going on with the Scorpio's person? The Empress, yeah, they are more into themselves. So I don't feel that, you know, they are growing, they are in a very growing stage in their life. So Scorpios, they are literally, you know, might be a Taurus with whom you are dealing with, but they're really happy with their life, and they are literally growing, they are nurturing, they are caretakers, but they are more taking care of themselves. So they are in a self-care or self-love mode, you can say. Let's see the Page of Swords over here, the final outcome. What is the Page of Swords over here? Why the Page of Swords is here in the final outcome? 5 of Cups. So, sorry, 4 of Cups. So yeah, I really feel that somebody, if you talk to them, if you clear stuff, because you might be stalking or they might be stalking you, I don't know what it is, but it is like a communication which might not go really well if you want to enter in this relationship, because it's a really different scenario in their side, Scorpios. Okay, so it's looking to me as if a rejection coming up with the 4 of Cups, emotions not being accepted by someone else. So just take your move with a lot of thinking, okay? Think about it and then take a move in this situation. All right, so that is all from my side, Scorpios. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.